In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a vintage picture, image or photo effect in Pixlr online.
If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value.
First step is to go to the top left hand of your screen and scroll down and click the fifth option which says Effect. The next step is to locate the effect that you like to use. In this case we have multiple options. But in this case, we're going to click the fourth option which says Retro. You have a list of different options to choose from, as you can see. And if you want, you can even change the strength by dragging the slider or the circle icon to the left or to the right for more of the effect. As you can see, I'm happy with this one, or even this effect as well.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.